I try to find a new way to tell you, some way to show you what you mean to me. There's nothing new. I exhaust myself searching. The world just keeps turning. What else can I do? 'Cause I find myself empty and face down, having nothing else to cling to but need of love that only you can give. Face down where I know that I belong, and I pray with grace that this world sees in me someone humbled and broken at your feet. I stand amazed, see the work of your hands. Still I don't understand why you would rescue me. An empty cross where you suffered and bled, overcoming my death.